Hey everyone. Today's big news from Zimbabwe involves the latest twist in the ongoing saga of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, or ZNLWVA. A recent congress held by the association has been dismissed as a legal nullity by a faction within the group. Confused? Let me break it down for you. On October 7th, 2024, Honourable Mrs. Justice Muzofa from the High Court of Zimbabwe ordered the three factions of the ZNLWVA to sit down and resolve their conflicts. The factions, led by Elias Marashwa, Christopher Mutsvangwa and Ethan Matibela, were supposed to find common ground and then report back to the court by October 21st, 2024. Simple enough, right? However, instead of resolving their issues, one of the factions went ahead and held a congress displacing Christopher Mutsvangwa. Now, according to Edward Dube, the Secretary General of a faction aligned with Ethan Matibela, this Congress was held in violation of the court's order. Dube claims that the matter of determining the legitimate leadership of the ZNLWVA is still pending before the courts. In other words, the Congress has no legal standing, and the leadership question remains unresolved. So what's next? Well, all eyes are now on the upcoming court session on October 21st, 2024, where the factions are expected to appear before Justice Muzofa. Will they finally reach an agreement, or will the drama continue to unfold? Only time will tell. This ongoing conflict within the ZNLWVA highlights the deep divisions and challenges facing organizations trying to represent veterans' interests. It's a reminder of how complex and contentious issues of leadership and legitimacy can become, especially when multiple factions are involved. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.